Hey everyone, I'm Valentin Berta and today I'm going to show you how to create a Hollywood style concave haircut. A classic shape with movement, flow and the cinematic silhouette you see in movies. Let's get started. First, we are going to start with clean sectioning. I separate the sides from the top to keep everything controlled and precise. The goal is to isolate the side so we can build the shape cleanly before the move into the top. I start with my first section just behind the ear. This is my main guideline, which sets the length and direction of the entire cut. I'll continue with vertical section, keeping consistent tension and directing everything forward while cutting with scissors. The second section is brought to the first, the third is brought to the second, and I keep repeating this pattern all the way toward the front. This consistent over-direction created the concave shapes that defines the Hollywood style. Now moving to the back. Here I'm working with horizontal section, starting from the occipital bone and moving upward. I follow the natural round shape of the head, cutting horizontally to create smooth transition between the back and the sides. On the opposite side, I repeat the exact same technique, first section behind the ear, vertical section, and the same over direction. Make sure you check symmetry constantly. For the top, I start with the central vertical section that goes from the middle of the forehead and the way to the back. This becomes my main guide. Directing everything to the center. Next, I take section from the right side and direct everything into the central guide. Then I repeat the same technique on the left side. Result: a voluminous concave shape with movement, exactly what we are going for in a Hollywood haircut. And the finish, styling and texturing. Styling products. For styling, I'm using Uppercut wax to add definition and texture, and salt spray to give natural, matte, voluminous finish. I blow dry the hair while lifting from the roots to enhance the roll shape and the natural volume. And that's it, the Hollywood concave haircut. Clean, cinematic, and incredibly versatile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like, share and follow for more professional cutting technique. See you in the next video.